It is an immense pleasure to share our interactive panel to St. Aloysius College as a token of gratitude to the support they have given.
My name is Nivin Vijayan. I am Area Branch Manager of Avodha. We are very proud that to be part of St. Aloysius College, and we have worked together past 6 years with St. Aloysius College. We have worked with together and admitted more than 600 students in a year.
I'm Akshay Prasannan Bindu. I work as Business Development Manager with Avodha EduTech. I work as primary contact for St. Aloysius College over 6 years. During this time, Avodha could place and help many students for getting placed and develop their professional skills.
And a special thanks to my colleagues to approach St. Aloysius College, and a special thanks to Director of St. Aloysius College, Mr. T.K. Spicer, and Rava Father Arun, the Principal of the St. Aloysius College, for the great support with Avodhas.
I'm Dr. T.K. Pius, Director of Self-Financing Programs in the college. And I am really fortunate to have associated with Avodha EduTech. And for the past 6 years, we have had very collaborative achievements. Number of our students have been technically qualified for jobs. That's one thing that we have been looking for. An agency like Avodha and the coordinators of this college have been particularly cooperative in bringing about a real change in the college. I think the mindset of our students have changed. Earlier, they used to come here with the sole intention of doing a degree program. Now, the things have changed. They begin to think of a placement, they begin to think of a career in their life, and they look forward to agencies like Avodha to help them equip themselves for some jobs in the future. And another thing about Avodha is that their courses are comparatively cheaper. But of course, those smaller courses is fully packed with material. I remember a student doing medicoding here in this college, and she went about doing a further course in a private agency, and she said that the course provided by Avodha was far more practical based than the course that she did later. And that goes, it is something that Avodha can be very proud of. Their students are technically equipped with their online programs, and they are very, very happy with the courses that they are conducting here. Our esteemed program coordinators of the college, Mr. Nivin and Ms. Akshaya, ensures that everything is fine with the programs, and they are extremely cooperative. And one thing about them is that they are always ready to help. There is no time lag. You approach them with some issues, immediately looked into. All these things speak fine of these two program coordinators of the college, and I thank them and wish them success for their future endeavors. The college has by now 2 interactive boards panels. Now Avodha has been to grant us another interactive panel, which will go a long way to support teaching learning experience of our students. And the other 2 panels are fully used. I do hope that our students and the teachers will make the full use of this, the interactive panel.